Assignment 1 is website construction. Some of you have developed websites before and others of you have not, but this will give you some additional practice. If you've already made a website previously, I encourage you to try a new website building tool. Here are some different website builders. My favorites are Google Sites and Wix, but it's totally up to you which tool you'd like to use to build your website. This website will eventually become your digital portfolio, and you will be doing a presentation of your digital portfolio the last week of class. That presentation will be a screencast video like I'm doing right now, where you will be kind of talking us through your digital portfolio. So for this website, you're mainly developing the kind of an empty shell where all these things, all these assignments will be housed and you'll be presenting on at the end of the semester. So I'm looking for some specific things in this website. You'll probably want to title it Digital Portfolio. You could add your name like Christian Legler's Digital Portfolio. So you want to create a navigation menu where you can click on different pages. So in your navigation menu, you'll want these specific pages within your navigation menu. Some of these pages will be blank. For example, the educational image, online assessment, and technology-rich unit plan assignments will be added to this digital citizenship assessment and curriculum pages. But you could go ahead and create an About Me section, and it describes that right here. You could also add some links related to educational technology that you think will be helpful to you in the future. You'll want to include an embedded video somewhere. So maybe in digital citizenship you add a video, but you want to do an embedded video where it actually shows the first frame of the video clip. It's real easy to embed YouTube videos. In YouTube, they'll give you an embed code when you go to share. You can always Google how do you embed a video in a website, and you should probably see a lot of tutorials available through Google. And then make sure that your link works correctly, the link to your website. All you're going to be really posting is the link to your website. And in the comments section in that assignment, you want to address these three reflective prompts. And then below, please read through the rubric very carefully. That is how you'll be scored for this particular assignment. As always, let me know if you have any questions. If you'd like me to take a look at something before you turn it in, I can always look at a draft of your work and make sure that you're on the right track. If you're having trouble with the technology, maybe we can set up a Zoom meeting with each other, or you could email me questions. So, and whatever tool that you use to create this website, make sure that you go to their tutorials within their website. Like Google Sites has a tutorial page on how to use the Google Sites. YouTube also, if you put in search Google Sites tutorial or Wix tutorial, will have a lot of tutorials available on how to set up a website through using that tool. So good luck. I look forward to seeing those, and have a great day.